Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and what a weekend. We did the field day, winter field day, 1,400 or so QSOs, 1,432. Band conditions were pretty good. We got almost 500 on 10 meters, another 500 or so on 15, and 400 or so on, well, 200 and something on 20, almost 100 on 40, and about 9 on 80, and 1 on 2 meters. So we got our 6 bands covered, and it was a good contest. Anyway, the purpose of this video, I want to talk about a pet peeve of mine. And I really noticed it during the field day, I won't say contest, but during field day this weekend, is the number of amateurs that just don't even use phonetics, not even talking about standard phonetics, they just don't use phonetics. I don't mind somebody using Zanzibar and Yokohama. What I don't like is when I'm trying to work a pileup, and trust me, I had a lot of pileups this weekend, and there's some guy just spouting off his call with just letters like KC3YAV, and they're saying it so fast. Have the courtesy when you're working during POTA or Worldwide Flora and Fauna or a contest and you're trying to work a station, use phonetics. And again, they don't have to be standard phonetics. Standard phonetics would be better, but sometimes it's easier to understand somebody saying Yokohama versus Yankee. And it's just dialect and accents and stuff. But have the common courtesy to use phonetics. Don't just sit there and say KB3YAV, KB3YY, and just keep saying your call sign over and over and over and over and over. I had to go on eventually and say, look, if you're not using phonetics, I can't pick you up because I can't understand what you're saying. And they come back and say, oh, KC, Kilo Charlie 3, Yankee Alpha Victor. So just, yeah, when you're working a pileup, either you're a DX station or a contest or a POTA, have the common courtesy to use phonetics. Again, they don't have to use standard phonetics. I'm not one of these sticklers. They don't have to be standard. You can use Zebra instead of Zulu if you wish. I don't care. Just say something that I'm going to recognize and find and call you out on that, because trust me, sometimes if you say Zebra versus Zulu, I may pick up on that on the end of the pileup and call you versus, not hearing that. All right, so I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What do you think about phonetics? Do you think people should use phonetics or, punt them to the curb? Yeah, let me know what you think. And especially if you're on the receiving end of a pileup and somebody's not using phonetics, how does that make you feel? Again, I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. I hope you like these videos. If you don't, leave a comment. Let me know. If you do, leave a comment. Let me know too. I'll see you guys in the next video.